I cut my agency tool bill by 20% using this free Chrome extension and only took me 5 minutes. If you're running a website design agency or you're building tools with AI, I know that you're paying for a lot of subscriptions every single month. Regardless whether it's website hosting, it's VPN for scraping or lead gen, image assets, or even analytical tools to optimize the performance of your website. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I knock money off all of these services using this free Chrome extension, and I'm going to do it live, so with real numbers on screen and checkout processes so that you can see how much difference it makes. This tool is called Coupert. It's a free browser extension available on Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, Safari, on desktop and mobile. So you just have to install it once, and every time you hit the checkout page, it automatically tests and applies the best available coupon code. You click on one button and then it tests all these coupon codes automatically. This tool has got 9 million users globally with about 200k merchants which has coupons on this platform. Has got 4.8 rating on Trustpilot, and I trust it a lot. So Coupert finds the best coupons and it gives you guaranteed savings, and it does three things really well: automatic coupon testing, cashback, and price comparison. Today I'm going to focus only on coupons because that's what I'm going to save you money on your tool stack right now. This is the main homepage of Coupert. It's where all the shoppers hang out and find the best promotions available, either for e-commerce purchases or for SaaS items or even for subscriptions. I myself am a digital nomad and I run an agency, so I use these kind of tools a lot. Over here we can see that it's available on Chrome, it's available on Edge, it's available on Safari, Firefox, Opera, Brave. They've basically built a whole ecosystem around these items. I'm going to add it to Chrome because I use Chrome myself. So after it loads for a little while from the Chrome web store, it's going to appear on the top right. Over here we see that the Coupert extension requires us just to create an account or log in if you already have one. I'm just going to sign up with Google. With one click, I'm already logged in. First, we're going to go ahead and find what deals are available. We're going to press shop and see that there are different types of promotions available for us. Whether they can be cashback when you purchase things online, or it can be discounts on expensive merchandise. I personally like the one below. This is where we find the best deals on digital products like such as SaaS, as well as subscription service for any tools that we require to increase our productivity or serve our clients better. Over here, I'm just going to search for a simple tool such as Microsoft. Let us see what's there in the world's most popular platform. Over here, after typing Microsoft, we can see that they have different items, whether it's from Xbox or Microsoft Family or even like console and controllers. For here, we're just going to click on the item and see on the right side that the price is available. We can shop directly from there, or we can also see the price changes of games such as this PS5 game. Next is the hosting. I use KVM2 to host and deploy my end-to-end solutions for different clients when we work with them. So in this, it usually costs about $9 per month or about $240 annually for 2 years, right? So now I can use Coupert to find the best promotion code available for this service. I think Coupert tries a different list of vouchers, and now we have about $16 off. Next, let's try for Flat Icon. This is where I find my asset libraries like this GitHub icon. I usually download it in SVG because I need it to render super fast. We're going to try the yearly plan because this is a real life saving. After getting the big cost reduced, we're going to try to pump it even lower. The best way to do this is to press apply coupons button from Coupert. It just loads automatically when your checkout is undergoing, and it tests the different promotion codes. Now we've got like about $10 saved, which is almost 10% of our bill just by doing nothing except pressing one single button. I think that's super cool. PNG Tree is where I used to find my assets. For example, if I'm building a website for a dog, I'm going to find the picture of the cutest looking puppy there is. We're going to download the image, but this requires us to get a subscription. And the minimum to get a good price is actually 3 months. Now I don't want to pay $29, but thankfully I have Coupert. Here we can see the list of promotion codes Coupert will offer us, and we can just copy paste it one by one to test out whether this whole discount is actually applied. We see that we get $10 off to this random coupon code, and now we have already saved 33% on the deal. For WordPress Rocket is where you can find in the Coupert store, and this helps you speed up your whole website performance. I actually don't know how they do it, but they're pretty magical when it comes to WordPress. It loads your page speed much faster, and I usually use the single one for one website. So per client, I load one. Now I can offer to my clients at a cheaper price. All that I need to do is I just need to press this one button, and then the Coupert already informs me the promotion code ready to use. So now my clients will love me even more. Express is the best VPN tool that I use so that my scrapers never get banned. Right? It only costs like about $2 to $3 per month when you buy for a long term. Now I'm going to push the price even lower. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask Coupert to test all the different promotion codes. I just have to press try more coupons if it has already tried every single resource available. It's going to try new coupon codes, or it's going to inform me if there's any coupon code available from the URL that I can paste, and then also inform the community that this new promotion code can be applied to all the new customers. Here are the results. Let us look at the full picture. For hosting a VPS KVM2, which I spend every 2 years, I've saved a total of $17. ExpressVPN, I saved about 19.54. Flat Icon, I saved about 10.8. For PNG Tree, I saved about $10 every 3 months. For WordPress Rocket, I saved about $5.9. It's a total about around $63, or around 20% of my bill, just by doing nothing. All I have to do is click apply on checkout on the tools that I was already buying in the first place. And Coupert backs this with a max saving guarantee. So if they miss a valid coupon on an eligible order, your order may be protected and you earn a cash reward. So they're standing behind their own product. The link is in the description. It's free to install. It runs in 60 seconds and just stays in the background. So whenever you're checking out on any product or any website, it just applies a coupon directly. Comment below to tell me how much you have saved on this tool, and see you in the next video.